Good morning everyone. So how are you? If you also like to make money online, then subscribe to me. Let's go. Today I brought you a video of how to play this game. All need is Binance account. Click to bomb or chest. Select the bet amount. So first one. Click to bet. Select the 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now cash out. Then my balance is $10. Yes, come on. Another one. Come on, same is bet. Click to bet. Select the 1, 2. It's okay. Cash out. Oh. And go to more bet. $1. Bet. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Cash out. I now make money this every day and $10, $20. So it's an amazing game. You can do this too, so it is not too late. So let's see how to withdraw it. Click to withdrawal and select the amount. Submit. Close the page. Back to home. This is my account. Click on the link below to register. Hurry up guys.